This is Holly here, coming to you from the Weather Center. And it was just pouring down rain again, and I decided I was going to go out and check to see how my cantaloupe did, if they stayed planted from Monday, and started walking this way and realizing that our driveway has waterfalls going out to the garden. And this is why I wear rain boots on days like this, April. But check this out, all of this water. I don't think you can really see how fast that's moving. I don't think there's a way for me to really explain to you the number of gallons of water that are coming through here. This is the driveway. Crazy. The driveway going out to the garden. There's like gonna be a ginormous hole there. That's, I guess, from that gully that runs down by the chicken coop. I feel like I'm gonna get washed away in a rip-roaring current here. It's not even raining that hard now. This is all just, this is probably about, I don't know, that's probably about 2 and 3 inches of water in some places. Really crazy. But look! Our squash plants. I do like rain for this part. Well, I want y'all to know that nothing has been planted on this side of the squash in our garden. And ever so carefully, the flooded area has gone around to the left side of the squash plants. It has left all of the squash plants intact. This one, squishy. Good gracious. Oh, I just sunk. Oh my gosh, why am I out here? Oh shoot, this is becoming a problem. It is quicksand, y'all. Oh my goodness, look how high up it sunk me in. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like halfway up my calves. That was a little scary. I didn't think I was gonna get out of it. Those are probably, that's probably at least 6-inch holes. Okay, so I mounded up my cantaloupe hills, and I think that's one, and that's one, and that's one. Yeah. They may be okay. I may have lost a couple of them. But I tried to plant them in higher areas, and I tried to make little moats around them, and I'm really glad I did. But look, we have little baby squashes. They're so cute. And they're looking so good.